Okay, so by the way, the fan is on. So sorry about that. By the way, the fan's on. I'm filming a makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna show you my entire makeup collection, everything else that I have. This is all my makeup. I'll tell you guys exactly. This, like that, these 6 plus this, and this are eyeshadow palettes, and plus these 3 too. This is my cover up, the cover up under my eyes or anywhere, like under my eyes or anywhere else I need it. This is my liquid foundation I put over my face, at least 2 layers, at least. And then these are my newest brushes I got. These are more of my brushes I have. This is my new beauty blend. It can be wet or dry. This is all my mascara. All of those are my blushes. That's a blush too. And this is more of a highlighter, so I can just highlight any areas. These 4, 1, 2, these 4, these 2, these, and all these are lipsticks. Oh no, lip gloss. These 2 and these 3, and there's another one I'm missing, are more like lipsticks. That is my majority of my makeup. This is my makeup. These are the makeup wipes I use. And these are for those brushes that go on so if I like a brush dirty or anything like that, I can just wipe it down. Let me set you guys right there. You can see. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it is and what I put on my face. First of all, I'm taking my glasses off because I can't use my glasses on here. So what I first do, sorry, just give me a minute. Okay, so I can put, this is my beauty blender I have. That's, okay, so view that. RT something. So, I don't know how you can, I'm sorry, I apologize, I'm really clumsy, I'm nervous handling. This is liquid foundation, so I can just pour it onto here some. And then go all over my face. So that's what I do. This is literally a cover-up stick. I can just go under my eyes. And my eyes need just a little bit. One time, like, for my one concert, we were up so late because we were going over certain dances, like a million times going over certain steps. And so I had barely sleep because I was just rehearsing all week. So I had a lot, so I used that like twice over because it's so bad. So my mom, she uses this once in a while, but yeah. So I'm assuming I'm just gonna dip it like right there. And this doesn't matter if it's wet or dry, so it's gonna be dry for this. I think you just put the liquid on here just like that. If not, comment down below and tell me exactly how to use this because I never used this before. I think it's pad. Oh yeah, I did. I don't need more, as you can tell right now. So I've seen videos and I'm pretty sure I'm doing right. I'm positive. Basically, they pour on and it's dab. All you do is dab. I'm actually gonna pull a little bit. Use dab. And I'm going to another spot just to spread out more. Ooh, I'm gonna actually spray that just a little bit. I feel like I'm doing it all wrong, but I'm pretty sure I am not doing it wrong. So I'm just dabbing it, and I do wipe like this just a little bit. And honestly, I'm not a professional makeup person. I'm not doing my makeup perfectly right. I do know that. But we all have our days. By the way, you are literally on the mirror, so that's why I'm constantly looking over here, because like I'm in the bathroom doing my makeup, so. Just let you know that if you're curious. I just knocked it over a little. I'm gonna do one more layer of my entire face. Hopefully it doesn't go wrong. And shoot. Okay, I am done with that. I'm gonna go with this just a little bit. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry guys, I just had to go do something quick. So now I'm gonna do my mascara. I use CoverGirl Professional. The color is brown, if you guys are curious or wondering. No, I'm not doing my mascara. I do my eyeshadow. What am I thinking? By the way, I use e.l.f. brushes. These are all, this is e.l.f. products that I'm using. This is the e.l.f. brush. Eyeshadow brush. These are e.l.f. brush. This is the mascara. This is the eyeshadow I'm using. It's e.l.f. It's, yeah, so. I'm kind of rushing because I have to go work, well, not exactly an hour, but half an hour. And that looks horrible. I say the most challenging part of your makeup is more eyes, like. These e.l.f. brushes I can't wash, so maybe one day. But I have contacts I wear. I choose not to put them in. So that looks way different. Now I do my mascara. How does it look, people? Do you guys approve it? Wow, it's dark. The lighting is horrible in here, just so you know, I think. Now I'm doing my mascara. It's CoverGirl. The color is brown. It's kind of a wavy kind of shape. That's what it looks like. I'm not a perfectionist, but I do my best. That's all I do. And I'm just gonna go. Does that work? After doing my mascara, I always put a stick, like a line under my eyes. And I do use my fingers because I'm trying to. Now I do my blush. I use a tutorial to do this basically. I'll show you guys. This is a Eco Toys powder blush. I use the e.l.f. product. I do have an e.l.f. blush, but I've been using these new brushes for a while, so this is literally like almost gone. This is amazing. Like, I actually need more of this makeup. And this basically like points out, like it highlights my cheekbones. Like that. I just do a little bit of highlight, just anywhere I want to be highlighted. I'm not gonna do the blending today. I just don't think I need to. And then I'm gonna do this. This is CoverGirl Drying Lip Balm. It's a more of a balm, but same thing. So this is my makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do a I did before. And there's an after. So, bye.